Next Level Mindset bringing you another powerful and positive video. You are about to win big in life. You do what needs to be done even when you don't feel like doing it. You know how to make it happen. Now this deals mostly when those times, you ever had those times when you knew you had made a commitment to get something done and maybe you wasn't feeling it at the time when the actual time came about, when the date finally arrived for you to follow through on it, and there were certain things that you could have made an excuse about it, but you followed through, you made it happen, did what you know you committed yourself to do. That's a great sign that you're about to win big. Many people in life, they'll say yes to certain things so fast. And my philosophy is I'd rather say no and have you being upset with me than to say yes and not follow through on it. But when you're able to do what you know needs to be done, take that certain action, to make that certain phone call, to write a certain email, maybe it's to record a certain video, or to make a certain sale, do a certain presentation. Whenever you find yourself doing what you know needs to be done, even when you don't feel like doing it, you know you're about to win big in life. So keep that in mind the next time you are faced against something and you think about the success that you want to have in this life. There are certain times when things may come up in your life and you may be tempted to not follow through on them. Those who do what they know needs to be done, that's you. And so if you're someone who will follow through, keep your word, maintain your integrity, doing what you know needs to be done, even when you don't feel like doing it, that's a powerful sign. And one of the clearest signs is that you're about to make that breakthrough, that you're about to come through and overcome anything in your life, is when you have a undeniable commitment. You'll be unstoppable in doing what you know needs to be done. And when you have a determination to tackle those challenges head on without excuses, without making any excuse for why you can't do it. One of my main commitments is why we can do it. I have eliminated the words I can't from my life. Stepping out on faith, I can do all things through the power of God within me, that I am. We handle our responsibility without apology, without excuse. And if that's you, that's a great sign that you are about to win big in this life. And by the way, if this is your first time here, you've been here before and you haven't subscribed, subscribe to the channel if you want to stay empowered and inspired together. I'd love to have you here as a part of Next Level. Now, I've got some extra bonus insights that I want to share with you. But first, if you are enjoying the content on my channel, you can consider becoming a member. We have a membership that you can get behind the scenes footage, never seen by anyone else, exclusive only to you. Buy a coffee, take a book home with you, as well as other ways you could do that with the links in the description. So this first bonus point that I want to share deals with what we talked about earlier. There is a way of winning big that may be big for you that may not necessarily apply to somebody else. So many times when we think about winning in life, we automatically have been somehow programmed to think about the material things, right? Finances and different riches and those things that only seen with the eyes. But when we really think about winning big, it is about having a mindset of peace. It's about being balanced emotionally, being able to sleep at night, right? Those things really mean winning for me in my life. And I talk more about that with this video right here coming on the screen. I think that would be great for you to watch next. So check that out. Enjoy it. Thanks again to my subscribers and returning viewers. I appreciate you. Hit the like button and share this on your way out. Subscribe if you haven't done that. Stay blessed, stay positive, never give up, always stay true. Until next time, I'll see you on the next level. Peace.